Good evening, everybody. I'm Allie, and this is Splatter Minds. So today we are doing something a little different. We're starting to record later in the afternoon, so today we are grilling outside. Well, I'm not grilling, Henry's grilling. So I'll be following him around with, camera vision, and watching him grill, or more so letting y'all watch him grill. And he's actually really good at grilling. So we will be doing that today. What are you doing? What you doing? Hi, you. Anyways, back to case in point of what I was talking about. There we go. We'll be out there grilling with him and all that. So let's get this party started. So, Grill Man, what are we doing today?
Well, today we are doing some chicken. Got it marinating right now. Just doing a quick marinade on it. Got the grill going over there. Actually, instead of using charcoal, I'm using wood. And then actually, I found over here, it's actually by Jack Daniels. Of course, anybody that knows me, you know I like Jack. These are actually smoking chips. These are made from, this is the chipped up aging barrels from Jack Daniels. So it's got an incredible smell to it. Gives a really nice smell. So hopefully it'll do a real nice flavor. So yeah, so that's what we got going.
If only YouTube had smell vision and taste vision, right?
Oh yeah, definitely. It's gonna be one of the nights.
Yeah, I told him you're a really good grillman, so...
I do try. Yeah. I do try.
Yeah, if they can see all the smoke and whatnot, yeah. Camera focus for me. We got a nice smoky grill over here.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken on grill time? Didn't realize how big the pieces you got were.
Yeah, these are gigantic. And even when I cut all the junk off of them, they're still huge.
I don't want to get our smoke away, right?
Mm-hmm, possibly.
Yeah. There we go. No longer in smoke vision. Is it bad? The first song that came to mind was Smoke on the Water, Fire in the Sky.
That's funny. Yeah, these will cook up real nice.
And of course we have a nice fire safety over here.
Yeah, somebody probably already called the fire department. It smells like smoke. Yeah, it's called somebody's grilling.
Yeah.
And we will close that up and let those go.
Okay.
And you drink it?
No. So, Mr. Grill Master, how we doing over here?
Good. Grilling away.
You look pretty.
Probably gonna need to stick some more wood in there pretty soon. This is kind of dying down on me.
Yeah.
A little bit. Which is just loads of fun. But yeah, it's going. So
Go.
we will have dinner soon.
Awesome.
No, I'll close that lid up on that.
Jesus. Yep, he's smoking it out. Well, that was great. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Anytime. It was good. Turned out very well. I was happy about that.
So when do you plan to grill next?
I don't know. We'll have to see.
Told you earlier I was craving ribs, so hey.
I was thinking about doing some ribs. That sounds pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, smoking them turned out really well.
That wood base really did good.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Excuse my Johnny Appleseed back here.
Yeah, it turned out to be a lot of fun. So we'll have to see what I can do next.
Okay.
Definitely.
Excuse me as I'm sitting.
Yep. So now just editing more videos.
Yay.
Yay.
Yay. So should we leave it here for the day?
Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
Okay.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave comments down there in that nice little box right down there. And follow us on Facebook at Splattered Minds and Twitter. Same spot, Splattered Minds. Yeah, we upload new videos every day. So keep checking us out. Keep sharing us with your friends. And we'll see y'all later.
Bye, everybody.